evening, my dear friends. This is Tomal representing PRS UMP. Today's session is regarding the insertion of a row within a rows. Like first here I've written 20, 23, 45, 87, 67. Now I need to add a particular row within the fourth row and fifth row. What I need to do? Just insert. So in this way you can add. Suppose you need to between 23 and 45 means 6th row and 7th row. Click here, click on insert. So in this way you can add a row within the rows. So this is all about the session. This is Kamal Das representing PRS UMP. Our official site is prccump.org.in and call is 8420879158. Email is dasamal6@gmail.com. Thank you for being with us. Thank you for sharing, subscribing and liking my video.